Well, hello there, friends. It's this time again, my favorite time of the year, Thanksgiving holidays. Yeah, I'm really excited. You know, for a French person, we don't do Thanksgiving in France. But I tell you what, I've been in the United States for 50 years, and I do Thanksgiving, and I love doing Thanksgiving. This year, I have a complete menu again. Remember last year we did a video every day for a week. We're going to do it again this year. I got an amazing menu. I'm going to tell you what it is. First, we're going to start. I wrote it down because, you know, I forget things. So, we're going to start with a roasted garlic and squash soup. I can't get away from squash for Thanksgiving. I'm telling you, I love squash, butternut squash. And so this year I'm doing that potato. But I also want to point you guys out to what we did last year and the year before. We did that sweet potato and apple bisque. And that, you know what that's going to be, right? That's going to be beautiful texture, my friends. That's a beautiful soup. And also, of course, we did our traditional butternut squash bisque. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm telling you, folks, you're going to make that soup, and you're going to think you went to heaven. Look. Oh, yeah. That is a soup you must try. It's also wonderful. So you got to pick which one you want. Only do one. And then after that, friends, we're going to do a maple and lemon glazed turkey. I'm going to make a beautiful glaze with the maple syrup and the lemon. I'm going to put some lemon inside the turkey. That's going to be a beautiful turkey. I also want to point out to you that the year before, we did that amazing turkey where I show you exactly how to carve the whole thing. You got to watch it. It's really a fantastic video. And also, don't forget to watch the traditional turkey video, the first one we did on YouTube. It's a beautiful video. Between the three of them, pick one, and you're going to have a phenomenal turkey dinner, I promise you. And then the gravy. This year, I'm going to do something special. I'm going to do a black cherry, pork, shallots, and sage gravy. And this is going to be beautiful. It's going to be like dark mahogany in color with a beautiful cherries in there. Let me tell you, that's going to be a gravy you're going to be able to rub on your body. Don't say anything. I want you to check also the traditional gravy that I made the year before. And before that, I did another one also. It's fantastic. I know Jack is going to put the link in it. I forgot to write it down what it is. I think it was a turkey with the cognac gravy. Fantastic. Check it out. All right, and then, of course, we're going to make a stuffing. You know, every year I make a somewhat similar stuffing. Sometimes I do it with sausage. Sometimes I do it with corn muffin. This year I'm going to do it with the ground turkey that I'm going to saute nice and neat. And I'm going to use cornbread this year. And I'm also going to put some spinach and ham as a stuffing. One of my stuffing this year, check out last year, which is the spicy chorizo sausage stuffing. That was delicious. Or the year before, the corn muffin and sausage, the traditional stuffing that I've been making for 50 years. It's really amazing. And of course, cranberry sauce. Thanksgiving wouldn't be Thanksgiving without the cranberry sauce, right? And this year I'm doing a cranberry, dry cherry, and red onion jam. Delicious. Don't forget to try the regular one also, the traditional one that I've been making for years, the cranberry and orange sauce. It's really delicious. And then last year I did a different one. I did kind of like one you don't cook. It's a salsa, cold cranberry sauce. I think it's very attractive. It smells amazing. Delicious. Completely different. I love it. And then, of course, Thanksgiving wouldn't be Thanksgiving if we didn't make a beautiful dessert. And my favorite dessert for Thanksgiving, one you can make way in advance, is my famous cheesecake. So this year, I made a hazelnut chocolate cheesecake. I promise you, it's amazing. And remember now, we also have, then the one we released last year, the famous eggnog holiday cheesecake. Fantastic. They're really, really wonderful. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at this. Look at this, my friends. Look at this. My friends, I hope you join us. Remember, click underneath the video to get all the links. And we're going to start releasing those videos. This video today is on Monday. We're going to release the first one on Thursday and one every day after that for a week. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, friends. And have a fantastic holiday weekend. All right. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you on Thursday with the first one of our menu, complete menu. Thanks for watching.